Hi guys, how y'all doing? Hope everyone is doing okay today. I showed you guys a video the other day with the CIT truck, cash in transit truck that was these guys were trying to hold up, and this video is just a little extra footage of what was taking place. I guess this you could say on the outside of the truck. If you remember the first video, they were mostly showing what was going on inside the truck with the driver and his extra security. So this is just a little piece of video to show what was taking place outside, what they were going through. So enjoy and feel free to comment. Please like and share. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Alright, so thanks for tuning in again to another video. Enjoy.
Copy that.